I'm here. We're going to give you a quick walkthrough. Walking through the front door here. Have this study area or a little living room. They're using it as a little living room. You get tile all the way through here. Somebody's cutting the grass out there. So to the left, we're going to go over here. You have a bedroom and a bath. This has carpet in it. Looks in good shape. No worries there. And then you have a full bath right here with a Corian top and a stand-up shower. And it has its own room, so it's its own suite. 2-car garage with high ceilings. Even smells good in there. And back the hallway, going to the right. We have a bathroom and a bedroom over here. And a full bath here. So that's 2 full baths so far. Corian top with a tub and a shower in this one. Back to the hallway, large laundry room. And we go back in here to the main living area. Good sized living room. Dining room, and then your kitchen. White cabinets, dark granite countertops. Nice lights. Stainless steel. Electric appliances. Take you into the master here. So we're tile through the main living area and carpet in the bedrooms. Carpet looks like it's good shape. Large master. Looks like a king size bed. Actually a really good size master. Hey kitty. Got some kitties in here. Large closet here. And actually a large closet on both sides. The other one's a little bit bigger than this one. Nice walk-in shower. Tile looks in really good shape. Very clean. Corian top here. And then that door is the toilet. Let me take and show you the backyard. Nice home. Nice patio area, triple slider. Opens all the way up. All 3 sliders slide back, so you have a triple opening. And then you have a great view of the lake over here with an extended lanai. Very clean home, looks very nice. Okay, talk to you soon.